In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the TSC Mainnet to your MetaMask wallet. Whether you're just starting out or are more experienced, connecting different networks to MetaMask can open up a whole new world of blockchain projects. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step to ensure everything is set up correctly without a hitch. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up MetaMask. If you're new to this, MetaMask is a convenient browser wallet that lets you interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other networks right from your browser. So go ahead and click on the MetaMask extension icon in your browser toolbar. If you see a prompt for your password, make sure to log in with it. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's discuss how to navigate through the network settings. Look at the top of the MetaMask window. You'll see a drop-down menu that typically shows Ethereum Mainnet by default. This drop-down is crucial because it lets you switch between networks or add a new one. Click on it and you'll notice a list of networks. All the way at the bottom, there's an option labeled Add Network. Click on this and then proceed by selecting Add a Network manually. This is where you'll be inputting specific details to connect to the TSC Mainnet. Moving on, you'll need to carefully enter the TSC Mainnet details. This is a key step, so having accuracy here is essential to avoid any errors. For the network name, type in TSC Mainnet. Next, in the new RPC URL field, input https mainnet rpc cscan.com/. This URL is the gateway that allows MetaMask to communicate with the network. Following that, the chain ID for TSC Mainnet is 3308404. Make sure you enter these numbers exactly as shown, because even a tiny mistake could prevent you from successfully connecting. The currency symbol you'll be entering is simply TSC. Finally, for the Block Explorer URL, input http://cscan.com/. This URL is a helpful tool for viewing transactions and network stats related to TSC. Once you've reviewed to ensure all the information is correct, simply click the Save button. This action will connect your MetaMask to the TSC Mainnet. And that's it. You've successfully added the TSC Mainnet to your MetaMask wallet. This allows you to interact with the TSC blockchain and take advantage of its features and projects. I hope you found this walkthrough valuable. And with these steps, you should be well on your way to exploring the TSC Mainnet. Thanks for watching, and happy